you've been so out there in the community. And I think one of the things that I've noticed from successful business people and other people that we've talked to on this podcast and people that will be coming on the podcast, and I'm not sure what the direct linkage is, but one thing I've noticed is people that are successful in business tend to be out there in the community. So, I mean, you're chairman of GNAC, chairman of the Eastern Connecticut Workforce Investment Board, vice chairman of Three Rivers Community College, chairman of the Eastern Advanced, EAMA and Eastern Advanced Manufacturing Alliance. You've been on a lot of stuff. Obviously, you got the name out there. You were 40 under 40 for the Norwich Day. I mean, you're just out there, and I just would wonder, it's not a question I've asked before, but what do you see as the linkage? Well, why are you out there? Is it specifically to get something for your business? Is it just a part of your personality? Like, what do you see? Why do you get involved in the community and do stuff?
So I would definitely say I believe a rising tide lifts all ships.
Me too.
So if I also believe you can't complain about the problem if you're not willing to be part of the solution.
Absolutely. Roll up your sleeves and get in there.
That's right.
Or get out of the game.
So that's the reality of it. I never can have somebody say, you don't have the right to say that because you don't work it. I work it.
Absolutely.
And being involved. And I'm passionate about all of those programs.